Just Thunderstorm warning.
199,000. These are
You look at the rate turned up. Oh, on the Simpson Shield.
Did you hear that?
No,
The job market? Okay.
ECR system, man. There we go. Do your turn. Do your turn. Radio. I've already paired. This. Sorry for my finger being in the way. I'm sorry being like all wound up and freaking out. I don't know. Accordingly. Okay, we're about to switch around on radio stations.
Warren County,
Unless you want to get the deal out, just let me know in the comments.
Until 9:45 p.m. At 9 Storm was located.
Whoa, shit, that's warning on the station now. They used to not when it was iHeart. Oh. Think. Alright, we can use this one. I'm gonna turn this one on. Let's check, thanks. Sorry, I warned this radio out a lot. John Bryan, we'll go.
Greene County Airport, Belfetcher, entry line.
Everybody's talking about the new sound.
We don't want copyright. We don't want I don't want copyright.
Potential as a country. Okay, you know the thing it says in the
Okay, they stopped. All right. Forgot how to turn off the alerts on that Bearcat scanner and weather alert. But there it is. There's Thunderstorm warning. I'm gonna turn this up so I can hear. Hail traffic's on.
Right across southern parts of Greene County. Spring Valley's gonna
Well,
miss
no,
you.
yo, oh, wow.
And Nick, is your mic on? Nick, if you can name off some of these roads right.
I'm gonna turn the screen around.
We can give some folks a heads up
Whoa.
to the hill that's about to be coming down on top of them.
Or I do have. Yeah, your mic needs to fix, dude.
Burlington Road
Dude, sir.
towards Lewis Road over there towards
Now we can hear you.
Road,
Now we
Maple
can hear you.
Corner, small community there coming up your way. Also, US Route 68, this will be coming up your way shortly.
Okay, we're going to, hang on, wrong. Go to Deposit, go to.
New Jasper and Austin, something else. This literally is just kind of.
Not rotation. It'll be.
15 to 30 minutes. I've backed it up here to about 9.
Rotate.
Current time
It'll
is
be.
9:14. Just in the last 10 to 15 minutes has really intensified there as it's working through.
It's up. I did it wrong.
It sure has, Nick. And so if you're inside that yellow flashing polygon, same severe weather procedures.
Hell, probability.
You would with a tornado warning. You want to stay away from windows. Interior most room
Let's
is
turn
the
this off.
safest, but really emphasis on staying away from windows while we
Settings.
have that
Let's turn this off real quickly. I want to show you something. Yeah, right here.
Again, we have a tornado watch in effect for a majority of the
What should not be issues because we've got rain that's helping lower the severe effect down. That's what it was trying to help actually. Trying to help lower the severe effect down. Oh, there's some lightning. I wasn't able to get on video, but I've tried to record this.
What you need to do to stay safe, but for the time being, severe thunderstorm warning for hail in Greene County. Stay away from windows, stay inside, and we'll let you know.
Those lines aren't able to be open. There's a problem with them.
For now, let's send you back to CBS.
Yeah, and severe hail index. I'm gonna keep the current alarms there so I can turn the alarms back on. Turn my screen on. Yeah. It's not real hot. Hang on, let me see. Yeah, it's not real hot.